There are numerous ways to incorporate white onions into your diet to help prevent high blood pressure. But in this video, I will tell you about white onion tea and how to make it, how much to consume, and when is the best time to consume it. Most people with hypertension does not have any symptoms. Checking your blood pressure is the best way to know if you have high blood pressure. If hypertension is not treated, it can cause other health conditions like kidney disease, heart disease, and stroke or organ damage. When blood pressure reaches very high levels, such as 180/120 or higher, individuals may experience a range of symptoms. These symptoms can vary in severity and may include severe headache, blurred or double vision, nausea or vomiting, dizziness or lightheadedness, shortness of breath, chest pain or tightness, irregular heartbeat, nosebleeds, fatigue or weakness, confusion or changes in mental status, facial flushing, blood in urine, difficulty speaking or understanding speech, seizures, fainting or loss of consciousness. It's essential to seek immediate medical attention if experiencing any of these symptoms, especially if blood pressure readings are consistently at 180/120 or higher. Because I know that you are finding this video informative so far and will continue to find value in the information that will be provided in the rest of this video, keep watching to find out the benefit of drinking white onion tea every other day. I'd like to take a moment to ask for your support. This is a simple, easy, but significantly very important favor. It will only take a few seconds of your time and will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, please click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of information on how to live a healthy lifestyle, including delicious, nutrient-packed recipes and tips on how to interpret the signs your body sends you when something's off balance. Subscribing and commenting not only helps the growth of my channel, but also enriches this platform by making it more interactive. Whether it's a question, a suggestion, or a simple greeting, your comments add to the dialogue. So go ahead, click that subscribe button and become a part of this knowledge-packed community. By the way, if you watch this video on your television, you can use your mobile phone or your computer to complete these tasks. Also, do not forget to leave a comment. It could be as simple as saying hi or where you are watching from. I would love to hear from you. If you drink white onion tea before bed every other day, then you can prevent issues of high blood pressure. Incorporating white onions into a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can contribute to overall cardiovascular health and can help prevent high blood pressure. However, it's essential to note that no single food can prevent or treat high blood pressure alone. And lifestyle factors such as regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight and managing stress are also crucial components of blood pressure management. There are numerous ways to incorporate white onions into your diet to help prevent high blood pressure. White onions, like other members of the onion family, offer several health benefits that can contribute to preventing high blood pressure. White onions contain quercetin, a flavonoid antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin can help relax blood vessels, which can lead to lower blood pressure. Onions, including white onions, are a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps counteract the effects of sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure when consumed in excess. White onions contain various antioxidants, including vitamin C and polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including high blood pressure. White onions, like other members of the onion family, contain allyl sulfides, compounds that can help lower blood pressure by promoting the relaxation of blood vessels and improving blood flow. White onions are naturally low in sodium and fat, making them a heart-healthy addition to the diet. Consuming a diet low in sodium and saturated fat is recommended for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Keep watching to the end to find out the process of making your own soothing cup of white onion tea, and also some other ways to incorporate white onion into your regular dietary routine to help keep blood pressure regulated. Welcome to the next part of our video, where I will guide you through the process of making your own soothing cup of white onion tea. This is a simple and quick recipe that you can easily prepare at home. To make 1 cup of white onion tea, follow these simple steps. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized white onion, 2 cups of water. Optional: honey or lemon for flavor. Instructions: 1. Leave the outer layer, the skin of the onion, on. Wash thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. 2. Slice the onion into thin slices or chop it into smaller pieces. The size of the pieces will depend on your preference. Remember, the smaller the pieces, the more nutrients you can extract. 3. In a small saucepan, bring the 2 cups of water to a boil over medium heat. You will be making 1 cup of tea, but using 2 cups of water will compensate for evaporation during the boiling process. 4. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, add the sliced or chopped onion to the saucepan. 5. Reduce the heat to low and let the onion simmer in the water for about 10-15 minutes. This will allow all the beneficial compounds, including allyl sulfides, from the onion to infuse into the water. 6. After simmering, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the tea cool for a few minutes. 7. Strain the tea using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove the onion pieces. Pour the strained tea into a cup. 8. Taste the tea and adjust the flavor if desired. You can add a teaspoon of real honey or a squeeze of lemon juice to enhance the taste. The tea is now ready to be served. Consuming this tea every other day before going to bed can be a great way to harness the health benefits of white onions. Onion skin, often discarded as waste, actually contains various beneficial compounds that can offer health advantages. These include its low sodium and fat content, as well as its richness in allyl sulfides, which are known to help lower blood pressure. Remember, this tea is not a cure-all, but a part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Enjoy your freshly brewed white onion tea and stay healthy. Keep watching to find out the health benefits of onion skins. Yes, the outer layer of the onion that we usually discard can actually offer a wealth of health benefits. Welcome to the next part of our video, where I will uncover the often overlooked benefits of onion skins. Yes, you heard it right. The outer layer of the onion that we usually discard as waste can actually offer a wealth of health benefits. Antioxidant properties. Onion skins are rich in flavonoids and polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This can reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Anti-inflammatory effects. Onion skins contain compounds such as quercetin and kaempferol, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially easing symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and asthma. Heart health. Onion skins also contain heart-friendly compounds like quercetin and sulfur. Quercetin may help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, while sulfur compounds can support healthy blood vessel function. Digestive health. The dietary fiber in onion skins is beneficial for a healthy digestive system. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Furthermore, the compounds in onion skin may have prebiotic effects, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Skin health. Some people use onion skin extract topically for various skin conditions, including wounds, burns, and insect bites. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in onion skin may help promote wound healing and reduce skin inflammation. Culinary uses. Besides health benefits, onion skins can add color and flavor to homemade broths, stocks, and soups. They provide a rich golden hue and subtle onion flavor, enhancing the taste of dishes without the need for additional sodium or artificial flavorings. Environmental sustainability. Using onion skins reduces food waste and contributes to environmental sustainability. Instead of throwing away onion skins, you can incorporate them into recipes or use them to make broth or tea, minimizing waste and maximizing resource utilization. So the next time you're preparing your onion for cooking, think twice before discarding those skins. They might just be the unsung heroes of your kitchen. Keep watching as I will tell you about some creative and delicious ways to incorporate white onions into your diet. I will now tell you about some creative and delicious ways to incorporate white onions into your diet. Not only do they add a burst of flavor to your meals, but they can also help in managing high blood pressure. Raw in salads. Why not add thinly sliced or diced white onions to your salads? They provide a crunchy texture and a burst of flavor. Combine them with leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and your favorite salad dressing for a refreshing and healthy meal. Sautéed in stir-fries. Chopped white onions can be a great addition to stir-fries. Mix them with colorful vegetables, lean protein like chicken, tofu, or shrimp, and whole grains such as brown rice or quinoa. Not only is this dish nutritious, but stir-frying lightly also helps to preserve the nutrients in the onions. Caramelized onions. Slowly cooking sliced white onions in a little olive oil until they caramelize and turn golden brown can bring out a sweet and rich flavor. Use these caramelized onions as a topping for grilled meats, sandwiches, burgers, or even pizzas for an extra flavor punch. Soups and stews. Adding diced or sliced white onions to your soups, stews, and chili recipes can enhance their flavor and aroma. They complement a broad range of ingredients, including beans, tomatoes, carrots, and herbs. Sauces and salsas. Finely chopped white onions can be incorporated into homemade sauces, salsas, and dips. Combine them with tomatoes, peppers, cilantro, lime juice, and spices for a delicious and tangy salsa, or use them as a base for pasta sauces or marinades. Pickled onions. Quick pickled onions made by soaking thinly sliced white onions in a mixture of vinegar, water, salt, and sugar can add a tangy twist to your meals. Use them as a garnish for tacos, sandwiches, salads, or grilled meats. Grilled or roasted. Grilling or roasting whole or halved white onions until they become tender and caramelized can make for a flavorful side dish. Serve alongside grilled meats, poultry, or fish for a satisfying meal. Stuffed onions. Hollow out large white onions and stuff them with a mixture of grains, vegetables, herbs, and cheese. Bake until tender for a nutritious and satisfying meal that's sure to impress. By incorporating white onions into a variety of dishes, you can enjoy their flavor and potential health benefits as part of a balanced diet aimed at preventing high blood pressure. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is not just about what you eat. Combining onion consumption with regular exercise and stress management can lead to optimal blood pressure management. I want to now take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for your time and interest. It has been a pleasure sharing this journey of health and wellness with you. Your comments, thoughts, and experiences are invaluable, so don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comment section. By sharing this video with your loved ones, you may inspire them to embark on their own health journey. Remember, staying informed is the first step towards a healthier, happier life. However, it's essential to note that the information provided here is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. We all have unique dietary needs and health conditions, so before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, please consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Therefore, use this information as a starting point and take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. So until my next video, Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.